In this video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram using two ways. Now, let's say you no longer want your Vanish Mode option or feature to be enabled. This is what you need to do. The first thing you're going to do is to tap on the message icon on the upper right corner, or you can just swipe right. And then you have to pick a message. Now, in order for you to turn off Vanish Mode, all you have to do is to swipe up right there. And you can now see your messages. Another method to this is to tap on their name and then tap on privacy and safety and then enable or disable your Vanish Mode. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!